Alright, so today we are going to install this lamp, the strobe light, mine LED light. This lamp, that's the one we are going to install today. You see these cables, a number of them. They represent the lights the vehicle has. Park light, brake light, there's brown, the one to bring power red, there is a reverse line, left indicator, right indicator. So this lamp is the one you're going to install to be there on top, like that one and that other one. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my installations.